Cleaning Day. Ravi is a 6 years old boy. He studies in Diamond Public School. One day, he was packing his bag. His father saw him and asked.
Ravi, where are your books?
Ravi replied.
It is a cleaning day in the school. I only need to take my tiffin and a piece of cloth. We will clean the school and the helpers of the school will play games and have fun.
His father patted him on the back.
That is a great idea.
Ravi reached the school. His friends were excited. After the prayers, the principal said,
Our helpers are very important people. They do so much for us every day. We must respect them.
Ravi and his friends dusted the desks and chairs in their classroom and the library. They cleaned the bookshelves. Then they went to the playground. The students had planned some fun games and races for the helpers. The helpers enjoyed themselves. The students cheered for them. In the afternoon, the students served them lunch. The helpers had a good day. The students were glad they could make the day special for them.